The Huge Rock of Guatape is a massive granite monolith in Colombia worshipped by the indigenous Tahami people. Luis Eduardo Villegas Lopez was the first person to climb this rock in 1954 by using wooden planks, placing them in the cracks of the huge rock. Now this giant rock has about 700 steps, owned by the Villegas family, attracts the tourists, which offers panoramic views of the reservoir. The Rock of Guatape is a landmark in Salzburg in Colombia. It is situated in the town and the municipality of Guatape, Antioquia. This Rock of Guatape is also known as the Stone of El Penol or La Piedra. El Penol is a town bordering Guatape, and for this reason has claimed the rock as their own. This has thus led to different names of the site. This mammoth rock is a geological wonder, a giant monolith formed from a larger pluton emerging abruptly from the landscape, with most of its part underground. It has resisted weather and erosion, and at present it towers up to 200 meters, that is about 65 feet from the ground. According to geologists, the rock is estimated to be about 65 million years old. The indigenous Tahami, the former inhabitants, worshipped this rock and called it Mujara in their local language. On July 16, 1954, Luis Eduardo Villegas Lopez, Pedro Nil Ramirez, and Raymond Diaz had climbed this rock in their 5 days effort, fixing sticks against the walls of the rock. Later on, Luis Eduardo purchased this rock from the farmers who owned it. Since the farmers considered the land useless for farming, they sold it to Villegas, who built stairs using wooden planks, fixing them to the cracks in the rocks, and later on started charging money from whoever wanted to climb to the top of the rock. Villegas' family still continues to earn money from the tourists. A viewing spot was built on the top of the rock with shops of handicrafts and postcards and other local goods. Here you can get fresh juice and beverages from the vendors. On the base of this giant rock, you will find food and stalls for marketing. This spot is known for selfie taking by the visitors. Insides of the stores and restaurants, you will find the walls of the rock painted beautifully by the artists. A bronze statue of Luis Eduardo is installed at the bottom of the rock. This statue was created by the sculptor Mario Hernandez in February 25, 2008. On the mid of the stairs, there is a shrine of Virgin Mary. On the right side of La Piedra, you can book helicopters for the tour of the area. In 1940s, the Colombian government had declared the rock as a national monument. This is Facts About the World.